let's get cooking. First things first is the lentils. We've got the chickpeas, another great source of protein, and one of my favourite things of all, a little bit of quinoa straight in the pan. Give it a little mix, and next thing I'm going to do is add the vegetable stock. So straight in there. We're now going to add my favourite vegetable of all, the little green midget trees.
Eat your greens, and broccoli is the business. You know what I mean, those little midget trees. Tasty raw or cooked, its antioxidants can lower cholesterol and help fight off disease. It's packed with fibre and high in vitamin C, a good booster for your immune system. So what's not to love?
Next up, you want the juice of half an orange. Give it a good old squeeze. You want a little splash of apple cider vinegar. This is already starting to smell incredible. Next up is grilled avocado. Watch your fingers, twist out, that's how you do it. Cut it into nice, thick wedges, and we're going to place that on top of the griddle pan. If you haven't had grilled avocado, you're going to absolutely love it.
It'll add a smoking, charred flavour. Lovely.
We ain't even finished yet. I mean, look at that. All them colours. It's now time for the special ingredient, the best part of all. This is the harissa paste. It tastes amazing. Give it a nice old drizzle. This salad's got it all going on. You've got the soft, the crunchy, the salty, the sweet. That is my superfood harissa bowl, and you're going to love it. I am going to make the most incredible Terry the Tuna Niçoise salad, all right? It's going to taste decent. Now, this is a proper bit of tuna. That is how it should be. Really, really great source of protein, and trust me, that is lean. Little bit of olive oil, give it a little slap, give it a little rub it. Little bit of salt and pepper. If you like any other spices, you can chuck them on there. Get your Terry the Tuna, and you're going to slap it in a smoking hot pan. Here we go. Bosh! Flip your tuna steak. Terry the Tuna, he's cooked to perfection. We're going to take him out now and rest him on a chopping board. You don't want to overcook it. You want to keep a nice little pink bit through the middle. We're now going to make the salad. Grab yourself a big bowl, fresh spinach, handful of lentils, sun-dried tomatoes. Get your nuts in, handful of walnuts, green beans, straight in the bowl. A little bit of salt and pepper, splash of sherry vinegar. Give it a good old mix up. Get right in there. Grab yourself a nice big serving plate. Look at that. Who said salads had to be boring, eh? Not me. Right, Terry the Tuna, I'm coming for you. So you want to slice it up wherever you like. I'm going to do it in 3 cheeky little sections and pile it up on top of my salad. Look at that. That is restaurant standard food right there, look. OK, now the final thing we're going to add, I've boiled a couple of eggs, and the secret to a good boiled egg is put it in cold water, bring it to the boil for 10 minutes on the nose, no more, no less, and I guarantee hard on the outside, runny in the middle. If my predictions are right, this should be nice and gooey when I cut through. Look at that. That is how you do it. And that is it. That's how I stay lean, and that's going to make you feel the nuts. Right, if you're a burger fan like me and want to get a bit guilty, try this one. It's my homemade McLeanie burger. You want to get some extra lean turkey mince. Chop up some fresh coriander, straight in the bowl. Some spring onion, bosh. Salt and pepper, a little bit of sesame oil. And finally, smells odd, but gives it loads of flavour. It's fish sauce, but only a tiny little drop of this. Right, get stuck in. Right, so separate this into 4. Everyone's going to love these. Squeeze it together nice and firm. Throw them in the pan. Wallop! Right, get some Greek yoghurt, a little bit of chipotle paste, give it a mix, and that is going to be our lovely burger sauce. Look at the state of that. Mmm.
And guess who ate nearly all those burgers all by himself?
I'm making one of my favourite recipes for the barbecue, my lamb koftas, really quick and easy. Smash them on the barbecue and they're ready in 15 minutes. First things first, get yourself some good quality minced lamb, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of cumin, and the final thing, you might be surprised, a little bit of sweet cinnamon. Throw in some spring onion. Now you got to get stuck in, you got to get your hands dirty, squeeze it all together, give it a good old massage. Good old massage. Grab yourself a ball of meat, and now we're going to roll our little kebabs like a sort of big old juicy sausage, and then you're going to stick your little kebab stick right down the middle. That is how you make a lamb kofta kebab. It tastes perfect. Get a few more on there. Lovely. Well, you've got to do a slow-mo sizzle. kebabs are ready. Who's up first? Come on in. Ladies first.
Right, I'll go for it.
Kiss,
Pop
kiss,
it.
kiss.
That's gorgeous. Mwah.